Hi friends, welcome back to this channel Apps Coder. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe. Now we are going to make a library website, online ebook website using Tailwind CSS in 5 to 10 minutes. If you have not seen the basics of Tailwind CSS, so you can go check it out. I'll give this link in the description. So we'll start with going to tailwindcss.com and tailblocks.cc2. Okay, now in the notepad plus plus we are going to create um, a new file. Okay, so you have to copy this as I told you in the previous video. Copy it and paste it in the notepad plus plus. Save it as, I'll show you 1 second. So you have to save it in your PC as a HTML document. Now create a folder. You can name it whatever you want. I'll name it our library. Okay, our library. So inside this, I'm going to name it as index.html and click on save. Now it has become fully colorful. Now I'll delete the link and the green color thing, and this I have not copied, so we'll do like this. So after the second meta tag we have to paste this. You have to scroll a little bit up and you will get this. So you have to paste it here and then it's over. You can even put a title with like this. Oh no. Okay, title and a closing title. Okay, now inside the title you can give your name. I'll name it as free free our free library apps coder super. Now in the body, after saving this, in the body you have to go to tailblocks.cc, search for header, and in the header you have to copy any one of the header. I'll choose white theme now as we have already done the dark theme in the last class, and now you have to copy this. According to me this looks good now for me, or you can even put this. I think this is looking good now, so I'll copy this. I'll copy this blue one and now paste it in the body. After pasting it, I'll click on save and then I'll go to the folder where I have saved it, which is our free library, and click on index. Now it will show me this thing. It looks nice, right? Now we have to do a little bit changes. In the first link, we want to go to somewhere and we want it to open within this tab itself, like as if we are clicking some bookmark and it will open within this tab itself. So what I do, I put a href before the closing tag. Before this closing tag here, you have to put the href is equal to 2 like this, and then give it a link. Now I want to go to my channel. When I click this link, so what I can do, I'll paste it inside these two these things. So after pasting it, you have to save it and then you click here, refresh it. Now on the other links you will get the text select thing here, but over here you are getting pointer as if you're clicking some link. When you click it, you will go to our YouTube channel. Okay, do subscribe by the way. Yeah, so now you can continue. You can put my YouTube channel over here instead of our first link. I can put my YouTube channel. Okay, refresh it, and my YouTube channel came here. Now instead of the second link, we can give about contact. I'll be doing the about contact and other pages in the next video, in the upcoming videos, which will be in the same title, but it will have part 2, part 3, part 4, which I will release within this week itself. So after contact, some other thing like ABC, whatever I want, right? Then when you refresh, these would have changed. Now until you put this href is equal to and this colons, and inside that if you don't put anything also, this type of thing will come, right? When you take your mouse over this links, it will change into a link pointer, right? It is like this, and when you go here, but if you don't put href, it will be the text select, as if you are selecting some text, right? So if you want like this, as in other websites like Mac website, Apple Mac, apple.com, and then over here, if you try to click something on the navigation bar, see, otherwise it's something else over here. But when you go over the link, it is changing into this thing. Even we have it, right? Yeah. So then um, we go on to our second thing, which is hero explaining about our book. And in this button, you can click download. Now for this thing, I have on my cloud, which is Google Drive. You know Google Drive, right? If you go to Google Drive, this link googledrive.com, you will go to this page. Now in the storybooks, I have storybooks, right? I have storybooks, many storybooks over here. I want Sudhamurthy's Grandma's Bag of Stories storybook. So I click get link. After clicking get link, it will give a link, and it will be like a restricted. You have to click on the drop down and click anyone with link. Then you have to click on the copy link and done. That will copy our link. Now for now I have copied it. You can put it wherever you want. You can even copy it again, there's no problem. Now I'll put it in my normal notepad, or wherever we have some free text space. I'll put it over here and minimize this for now. Now this is the hero section, so I'll copy this again, and after the header I'm going to paste this and save it again. Then refresh it here, and we got this. Over here I'm going to put the this thing over here, this image. So what you can do is you can Google this Grandma's Bag of Stories. Yeah, so Grandma's Bag of Stories by Sudha Murthy. You can just Google it, and it will give you some images, right? You can download one of the image and put it as the uh, image for this. Now I'm not downloading because I don't have free space for all of this. You can change the text and give the on the. You can go to Wikipedia, or you can just search for this Grandma's Bag of Stories by Sudha Murthy, and it will give a short description about the story here. So you can click on this link over here, Google Books, copy that description over here, copy this description and paste it over here. Instead of this, put the title over here, and just remove one button, and this button name will be download. I'll show you how to do that too. So over here I'm gonna show you what is this about. Paste this, save it, Control S, and refresh here. So you'll get a short story on what is this thing over here. Then the storybook's name, you can copy it, Grandma's Bag of Stories, and you can even put that over there instead of before they are sold out thing. Okay, save it and then refresh it over here, so you will get Grandma's Bag of Stories and the description about that. Now you have to delete one button. How to do that? You have two buttons, right? Instead of that, you button click on this button class, it will show you this in purple color. You delete the whole thing. Okay, then instead of the first button called button, you can put download. Okay, and save it. If I'm going too fast, just lower the speed and you can do it. Refresh here and one button will be there called download. Now how to go there when we click download? So inside, outside this and next to download only you have to put a href is equal to, then close it, then a and close a. Okay, put this download between the a, okay, before the closing of a, and over here in the link you put this link which we copied that time by right clicking and get link, and then instead of restricted, anyone with link and copy link, done. If you do like that, then you have to paste it instead between the href and save it. After doing that, when you click on download, it will go to Sudhamurthy's Bag of Stories online book, ebook, right? So you want that only to happen. Now I don't want this page to go, right? I want it to open in another tab. For that, what we do, after the link over here, after the closing of this, right? I'll show you in a bigger place. After the closing of this over here, I'm giving space right there. You have to put target is equal to like this and underscore blank. If you do like this and refresh over here, when you click this, it will open in another tab and this will be there itself. Last time what it was happening, it was as if it will open in the same page. So now we have done the Grandma's Bag of Stories. Now I want another storybook. So again I'll go to tail blocks. Choose another one over here which is like in this format. View code, copy to clipboard, and you know how to make. You can make infinite number of storybooks. Now like this I can make, but how do I make like as if I'm in some e-commerce website? So for that, you know what is e-commerce, right? E-commerce means like this, like this, right? We want more like this. So you can just copy this also, and how I showed you, you just find shooting stars in the code and then replace it by whatever the storybook's name is. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye and subscribe to the channel, like this